In the competitive and highly regulated pharmaceutical industry, simply having a validated manufacturing process isn't the end goal. Continuous improvement and the pursuit of greater efficiency, robustness, and cost-effectiveness are essential. Pharmaceutical process optimization involves systematically evaluating and refining existing manufacturing processes to enhance their performance while maintaining or improving product quality. Understanding the principles and methodologies of process optimization is key to achieving operational excellence and long-term sustainability. Why is pharmaceutical process optimization so important? Optimizing manufacturing processes can lead to numerous benefits. It can reduce cycle times, increase yields, minimize waste, lower production costs, and improve process consistency. Furthermore, a well-optimized process is often more robust and less susceptible to variability, ultimately contributing to higher product quality and fewer deviations. In a dynamic industry with increasing cost pressures and evolving regulatory expectations, continuous process improvement is crucial for staying competitive and ensuring a reliable supply of medications. Pharmaceutical process optimization typically involves a structured and data-driven approach. It often begins with a thorough understanding of the current process, including the identification of critical process parameters, CPPs, and their impact on critical quality attributes, CQAs. Data from historical batch records, quality control testing, and process monitoring systems is analyzed to identify areas for potential improvement. Process mapping and value stream analysis can be valuable tools for visualizing the process flow and identifying bottlenecks or inefficiencies. Once areas for optimization are identified, various methodologies and tools can be employed. Statistical process control, SPC, helps to monitor process variability and identify trends that may indicate a need for adjustment. Design of experiments, DOE, is a powerful statistical technique for systematically investigating the impact of multiple factors on process outputs, allowing for the identification of optimal operating conditions. Modeling and simulation can be used to predict the behavior of process changes before they are implemented on the production floor. The implementation of process optimization initiatives requires careful planning and execution. Any proposed changes must be thoroughly evaluated for their potential impact on product quality and regulatory compliance. Change control procedures must be followed to ensure that all modifications are properly documented, reviewed, and approved. Pilot-scale studies or small-scale experiments may be conducted to evaluate the feasibility and impact of the proposed changes before they are implemented at full commercial scale. Continuous monitoring and data analysis are essential to verify the effectiveness of the optimization efforts and to identify any unintended consequences. Pharmaceutical process optimization is an ongoing journey driven by a commitment to continuous improvement and the goal of achieving the most efficient and robust manufacturing processes possible while consistently delivering high-quality medicines. Enjoyed the video? Want to stay up to date with the latest GMP insights and guidance? Then make sure to subscribe to our channel. We've got tons more helpful content coming your way. Hit that subscribe button and join the GMP Guide community.